Yesu ashimwe cyane, ndabaramukije mu izina rya Yesu Kristo. Nitwa Kimararongo Fidel, nkaba ndi umupastori, nkaba ntuye mu gihugu cya Amerika, mu mujyi wa Austin, ni mu ntara ya Texas. Aho niho ntuye. Nashakaga kubamurika uno munsi cyangwa se muri kino cyumweru kiza tuzotangira channel yacu ku mugaragaro. Iyo channel yitwa ngo ni Voice of Hope, ni ijwi ry'ibyiringiro. Ni umutwaro Imana yadushizemo bimaze igihe kirekire, ariko ubu bigiye kuja ku mugaragaro. Ni umwanya dufata umwanya w'ijambo ry'Imana, umwanya w'indirimbo, umwanya w'ibitaramo cyangwa se amatemonyaje atandukanye. Nkaba mbararitse, nkaba mbatumiye mwese kuzadukurikirana igihe tuzaba twabilonshinze, twabishize hanze. Ndashaka kubatumira umuntu wese ngo muzadushigikire kurya mu bikora kugira ngo ivugabutumwa ribashe gutera imbere. Tubahaye kaze cyane, ni hano muri Texas, ariko kandi icicaro cyayo aho izozikorera ni mu Burundi, i Bujumbura. Ubwo rero abaririya tuzoza dufatikanya ndetse n'abarino, ibikorwa byose tubihuze. Turabashimiye kandi tubaye tubatumiye, tubabwira ngo muri kino cyumweru kiza niho tuzotangira igikorwa cyacu. Imana ibaheze umugisha kandi Imana ibagirire neza. Turabashimiye cyane ko muzabasha kudukurikira. Data abaheze umugisha cyane, murakoze.
Hello everyone, I'm here today to introduce you guys to our new YouTube channel coming out next week called Voice of Hope. We'll be uploading all types of videos from preaching, singing, and worshiping, videos that can help those going through problems. Make sure you guys tune in, subscribe, and don't forget to like. Remember, next week, Voice of Hope, don't forget. Thank you.
Hello everyone, we are here today to introduce you guys to our new YouTube channel coming out next week. It's called The Voice of Hope. We will be uploading all kinds of videos from singing to preaching, and we are here to help you in need if you are going through any hard times. Please make sure to like and subscribe and tune in and enjoy it. Thank you.